gals, welcome back. So I have another yarn haul for you guys. This time though it's from Joann's. I got a little bag. It's not a big bag at all. So I had basically, I don't know, it was just one of those like sale things that was going on my app. I live in kind of like a remote area, so there's not a lot of selection at our Joann's. It's mostly for fabric or for other crafts. But we don't really have a big yarn selection. A lot of their yarn you'd have to actually order online. But the things that I was able to get, I figured, let me just do a little haul for you guys so you guys can kind of see what's going on. So first things first, I did want to touch upon this. I got the Granny All-in-One square, and this is in the color Hyper Violet, like black or Hyper Violet. I wanted to get the other one, which is like a black with like a neon green and blue, but they didn't have any more of that one, so I got the next best thing. I love these colors as well. They're very Maleficent, but that's why I wanted the other one, so I can kind of make a blanket that's kind of all-encompassing of that like element. If you guys know me, whether personally or you guys come across my Instagrams, you guys know that I love Maleficent. Maleficent is tattooed on my back. She is my favorite villain. I always refer to, that's who I am in this life. So I got this one, but I wanted to try it. So I saw a couple of reviews about this, and I just kind of wanted to try it out. It does come with instructions on how to use it. But to be honest with you, even though like it says that it's a Granny All-in-One and it's supposed to be perfect, I would still use it regardless of how I'm crocheting, and it would probably be beautiful no matter how we do it. So this does come, this is a 4-weight, uses a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook, which is a 15R, I guess, I don't know, or an I9, sorry, an I9. I don't do US things, but I figured this was nice. I like the colors, so I got that. Then I got for like 90 cents because of this sale, a Big Twist Petite, and it's in pink. I thought this would actually be bigger, but I guess not. But this is in medium rose. Sorry guys, the dogs went out. I was expecting this to be bigger. I just felt, I don't know why I thought it would have been bigger, but I guess for 90 cents, I mean, it's big enough. It's 87 yards. Again, this is for a 5 millimeter hook. Can never have enough pink. Then, this is what I actually wanted to go in for, because I saw that these were on sale, was the DIY Glow Lion brand. I saw these on Amazon, but then I ended up getting them with the Joann's order, and I mean, we'll see how this works, honestly. Like, it looks like it will glow in the dark. Like, it's really sunny here in the office, so we'll see how it looks in the dark. But I wanted to do my Coochie Copy with a little bit of the glow in the dark, so we will see. We will see. But that's my little Joann's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I shall see you soon. Bye!